Plug the Deltex medical probe into the DOP link. If existing data is already on the probe, the monitor will display a message asking if you wish to continue. If there is no data present on the probe, the Start button will become active. Once pressed, the user will be presented with a patient data screen. Complete each field. A green tick will indicate the information has been accepted. After all fields are completed, the patient input screen will show the nomogram used for the data calculated during monitoring. If the patient is under 16, the child nomogram will be used. If the patient's over 16 and within the limits, adult nomogram will be shown. If the patient is outside the nomogram parameters, the linear nomogram will be used. Press the OK button to confirm. Once confirmed, data will be sent to the probe and monitoring will start.